Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this couch done so I'm not recording as much, and it seemed like the weather just been so nice, so I should have started recording this earlier, but this was a lot looser than this right here. So what I did is I've been hitting and hammering this up where I need to and shrinking it with my trusty little tool here. See now right there, see it's popping a lot more. But by me putting the two 6x9s, the 2 5s, and the tweeters back here, especially the 6x9s and they 6 inches. I'm gonna screw this in, but I don't want this popping, and then I'm gonna have a amp system back here too. I mean a woofer and amps. So I'm not gonna go too radical with this. Just want it to sound good. But like this here, that'll be making noise. So that's why I'm trying to get this as sturdy as I can before I put that back deck in here. See, that's a lot stronger right there. So all I'm trying to do is just shrink this down, guys, where this thing not be popping and moving around back here, because whether you know it or not, that's why all of these lures are in here to strengthen this. Now the guy that's back window was leaking, so in the trunk he drilled a bunch of holes in here. Well, maybe those holes supposed to be in there. I don't, maybe they are, maybe they ain't. But I think he did that so if water ran back here, it wouldn't just sit back here and knock this out. So even though this was air on the car, I'm still just trying to get this to shrink down. Oh yeah, that's strengthening up pretty good. So let me let this cool down. I have to go get the air nozzle. I just want to cool that down. Alright. So that's it. See that? It's not popping now. So when I see that, it's not popping no more. It's nice and solid. It's not popping now, guys. Yes, sir. So that's shrinking and stretching your metal, guys. And like I said, now you won't have all that rattling back here. The base, you don't want no structure moving the less as you can. You know, you be wondering why your stuff sound like junk. Well, that's why. So now I got this. It's pretty solid now. It ain't popping no more. See that? All right. Hey, thanks for joining in. Like, share, and subscribe. If you like looking at the YouTube walkarounds, go over to All Things Classic and check out the videos. It's not only Buicks, it's Chevys, Oldsmobile, Ford, any unique cars that I'm gonna be running across. There's a Zimmer over there, so go over there and check that out sometime, guys, if you like those walkarounds. But yeah, that's good there. That's shrinking that metal to get that cannon out of here, guys. So that tin, you know, that metal be cannon and popping, takes it right out of there, guys. All right, guys. So everybody might not have that stud tool that I use for pulling my dents out like I have, but you can do this with like a torch. There's different ways to do this, guys. You know, heat it, hammer until you get that cannon to pop out of there. But I like that tool. It works fine. So now that piece ain't cannon, guys. All right.